Hello everyone, my name is Ankit and today we are learning the theory of computation. Here the theory means capabilities, just like advantages and limitation. And the computation is done by some machine, just like computer or calculator. So finding the capabilities of a machine means finding the advantages and limitation of some machine which can be computer or calculator. This is called theory of computation. Machine is also called automata. That's why this subject is also known as automata theory. So theory of computation is the study of mathematical machines. And here we understand how the mathematical machine works. TOC is also the study of computational problems that can and cannot be solved by these machines. There are various computational problems which can be solved by the machine and which cannot be solved by the machine. So here we study all such computational problems. In theory of computation, the first thing is symbol. These are the basic building blocks, just like A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, and so on. So these are all the symbols. Next thing is alphabet. These are the finite set of symbols. Finite means limited. So it is the limited set of symbols. So out of all the symbols, we are taking some limited symbols. Let's say we are taking only A and B. So these are the finite and we are putting them into a set. So this is the finite set of symbols. Alphabet is represented by sigma. So sigma is equal to the finite set of symbols. So here it is A and B. Next thing is string. It is sequence of alphabets. So from the given alphabet, we are generating the sequence of alphabet just like we are having single A, then we are taking single B, or we are taking two together just like AA two times, then BB two times, then AB, then BA, in the same way AAA, and so on. So there are multiple strings which can be created using the given alphabet. Next thing is language. It is the collection of string. So strings can be combined together and they form a language. Let's assume we are having language 1 and that is string of length 2. So here we are having all the string whose length is 2, just like we are having AA and BB and AB and BA. So these all are the string which is having length 2. So we are putting them together and that is becoming the L1. That means language 1, which is the string of length 2. Here we can see that in the string of length 2, there are only 4 possibilities, which is AA, BB, AB and BA. More than 4 it is not possible. So it is limited. Limited means finite. So this is also called the finite language. Let us suppose there is another language which is L2, which is the string that starts with A. Here we can see that the string start with A. That means it can be single A, it can be 2A or the 3A, 4A, 5A, or it can be AB, A double B, A triple B, or it can be ABA, AB double A, and so on. So there are multiple possibilities, and this is not limited. That's why it is called infinite language. Next thing is grammar. These are the language generators, means they generate the language. So from grammar, the language is generated. Next thing is machine. It is the language acceptor. That means they accept language. So in theory of computation, we are having symbol, which are the basic building blocks, just like A, B, C, D, and so on. From symbol, we generate alphabet. Alphabet are the finite set of symbols, means we take some specific and limited symbols and create the alphabet, just like we have taken A and B, and they are represented by sigma. From the alphabet, we create the string, which are the sequence of alphabet. So given alphabet are arranged in some sequence, just like A, B, AA, BB, and so on. From the string, language is created, and the language is the collection of string. Language can be finite or infinite. Finite language contain limited number of string, just like the string of length 2, and there are only 4 possibility, just like AA, BB, AB, and BA. And infinite language contain unlimited set of string, just like we are having the string start with A, and there are various possibilities, just like A, double A, triple A, 4 times A, AB, ABA, ABAA, and so on. These languages are generated by the grammar and accepted by the machines, which are also called automata. So that's all for today. Thank you.